I'll be sharing tips untuk travel since I travel a lot. Macam last month, every week I ada pergi negeri yang berbeza. My solo trip to Sabah, Kedah and Penang untuk kerja. So this is the first tip. Always make sure barang-barang you kecil and travel friendly size. Especially kalau contoh macam you naik flight and then you tak nak beli like additional luggage tu, you can save a tons of money kat situ. And also do yourself a favor sebab you tak perlu nak bawa banyak-banyak ataupun berat-berat. Look at how big it is. I literally boleh letak my whole skincare, makeup, hair care. Tapi bila tutup, it does not take a lot of space tau. So we move on into the items. Saya tak kalau cakap, ini adalah pencuci muka, moisturizer and sunscreen. This is the foundation and blusher. Segenggam I macam ni je dah fit everything in. Skincare and makeup in one go. So for the cleanser, you cuma perlu glidekan dekat you punya muka. Letak air, dia dah start cleanse all you punya dirt yang ada dekat muka. And then you rinse off. This is actually something I always be amazed sebab I tak pernah expect yang cleanser boleh in a stick form macam ni. It's very small. Next, dia punya moisturizer. You just need to glide everything on your skin tau. It's so easy. All the items contain ceramide, which of course is very good untuk you punya skin barrier. And yang second adalah, semua item dia tak ada perfume atau fragrance tapi ada essential oil for calming and relaxing purposes. Now this is the sunscreen. It's perfect untuk you bawa letak dekat dalam you punya handbag in case you nak reapply sunscreen. Remember, we need to always reapply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. Rasa sangat selamat ya. Gitu. Kecil-kecil cili api guys, because this sunscreen actually contains SPF 50. Done, you're protected. Masuk dalam handbag kalau you nak reapply nanti. Moving on to makeup, you have this foundation with you. I mean, look at the coverage though. It's a powder foundation, tapi nampak gila beza dia tadi. See, your base for a simple look is practically done. And choose your favorite blusher. For today, I'll be wearing this one lah. Kalau you tak nak bawa brush, you can always like blend it with your punya fingers. But today, I'll be blending it with my brush lah. I mean, look at the color. Last but not least, lipstick. I mean, just look, you can actually achieve this simple yet glowing makeup look with only 2 to 3 items. Yang memang design travel friendly and for those yang always want to be on the go.